Most lung cancer is caused by tobacco exposure. By far the biggest majority of patients have smoked in their past. Smokers or ex-smokers. There's still some people who come in who have never smoked, who are unfortunately diagnosed with lung cancer. We feel like some of that may be from radon, and then some of it was we just don't have a cause of why that individual developed lung cancer. People who have smoked in the past, if they've quit, which we always encourage and which is good, nevertheless, they still have a clearly higher risk of lung cancer over what we call a never smoker. Now that risk does go down over time. It never, unfortunately, doesn't go back down to a baseline never smoker. So, unfortunately, ex-smokers are still at risk for lung cancer. And unfortunately, we see people who quit smoking 10, 15 years ago who still have developed lung cancer. It depends where someone's diagnosed in terms of stage. So, stage 1, stage 2, which is confined to the lung or the lymph nodes in the chest, those patients can be treated for curative intent, often with surgery. And that may require chemotherapy after surgery, may require radiation therapy after surgery, occasionally given before surgery, but usually after. But the goal is for cure in those people if you can get it removed. Stage 3 is a little bit of an iffy area for some patients in that occasionally patients still go for surgery, but usually we treat with chemo and radiation therapy together. That's their definitive treatment. And you can still cure some people doing radiation therapy and chemotherapy, usually together, with some chemotherapy afterwards for curative intent. Stage 4 disease, unfortunately, is disease that's outside of the lung, what we call metastatic disease. Those patients can still be treated. It's not for what we call curative intent. But nowadays, with the different drugs that are out there that we're able to offer, the prognosis keeps improving. So there are some people who, even with stage 4 disease, are alive several years later, which has been different than it was 10 years ago.